Hey folks, today is the 24th of June 2019 and I just want to talk for maybe a moment or two about the Alfa, the 73 Alfa Romeo GTV, and I always find it good to share in these moments of truth. This right here is some kind of bracket. I think this held some sort of a jug or a jack off of the old car. I was able to harvest that. Now these right here are the brackets that go right in here. But to be honest with you, I harvested these from the old car, well this car, and I media blasted them, put them in epoxy primer, but I'm going to emplace them right now, and also work on this Spider generic floor pan that is from Classic Alfa to make this thing fit the quarter. And you can see here this red line, that's where the spot welds, but in this case plug welds, and to be traditionally correct, they would be resistance welds, will go, because this is where I have to build. I have to build material to fill in these gaps all along the circumference of the trunk here, which is reality. It's going to take a lot of hours, lots of hours to do this. But I've already put in lots of hours, so just wanted to share that, which is progress right here. Now let me show you the wheelhouse, the driver's side, which I was able to finish up late last week on Saturday. I've got to grind those down. Lourdes is coming in. She's going to be grinding and helping me. Trim that all down. Made that coupon right there for the lower section. Right there. And this is all properly welded up on top, where the wheelhouse outer was split in half, so I can facilitate the quarter panel fitting on better. Of course, now I'm going to reach in there as far as I can and grind it and squirt in some more undercoating on top of new primer. That's the plan. So I'm going to put that bracket in after I finish this segment there on the floor. And then this is the gas cap right here, which I'm going to install. I only have one brass bushing, so I might have to wait and order some more brass bushings from Classic Alfa, or go downtown, see if I can find them, some generic brands that'll work. So that's about it for right now. It's always good to have good progress on the Alfa Romeo. That's what I like. Tschüss!